Hi everybody, I'm Don from Spectrewaves Paranormal, and tonight we are in DuPage County, Illinois on a private investigation. The homeowners recently had a death in the home and they wanted us to come and investigate. Guess what? We caught some great evidence. So don't forget, check out all of our videos, like us, comment, and as always, please subscribe. So for Don, for Spectrewaves Paranormal, good night everyone.
And on that stuff, it was jumping up there. Okay, so you're here with us.
And you're checking us out.
I feel that coldness. Oh my God, right behind, right here. You feel that, right?
72.5.
Were those the decorations you guys used to put outside? You know, me and Don really love to decorate. Yeah, Don spends all year just trying to figure out what he's going to do with decorations. Can you give him any advice? Oh, I got something. I got something. So you're standing right in front of me. Hello? Don, come here. Oh, now is that Mike dead?
Mike? Yeah.
Now that's Mike dead? Okay.
Yeah. So let me walk in front.
Oh wait, we got something going off. We got it going off. We got it going off.
What's going on?
It was a blue. Okay, that's good. Can you make that go off again? This was all blue here.
Oh, was it?
Yep.
Vortex went off?
Vortex went off. Okay, do that again.
72.4. Can you touch that device?
It is so cold over here. Do that again, please.
We saw you.
I saw you.
Can
It
you
is
touch
so
that device
cold
again?
behind me. There you go. Oh, we got it. Oh my God, we got it.
Thank you.
No, can you light it all the way up? Oh my God, that is so
Can
cool.
you come closer and make more lights go on, please? Can you make more lights go on?
There you go.
There you go. Thank you for the red light. Thank you.
And I just heard something like in my ear.
What'd you hear?
Like woo.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh, thank you.
Well, like really, like something right here just said like woo. Like woo.
Move.
But like woo. Like woo.
Woo.
But like a deep voice. Really, I actually
Buck,
heard,
is that
this is
you?
the first time I've ever heard something.
Really?
Woo.